When we think about the military industry, we usually imagine factories producing tanks, missiles, or fighter jets. But behind every system lies something far more complex: a global, technological, and extremely sensitive supply chain. The military industry does not operate like any other sector. Logistics, in most cases, is managed directly by governments. Civilian shipping companies and airlines rarely transport military equipment, except in very limited circumstances. This means states don't just manufacture weapons, they also control their transportation, storage, and distribution. And that's where the complexity begins. A modern defense system can integrate thousands of components: specialized steel, advanced microelectronics, precision sensors, optical systems, software, and specific fuels. Rare earth materials largely come from Asia. The most advanced semiconductors depend on production capabilities concentrated in very few territories. A sector that is already facing its own supply constraints and industrial concentration issues, something we analyze in detail in another video on the channel. Some systems require years of development and highly specialized suppliers. That means if one link breaks due to sanctions, conflict, geopolitical tensions, or simple industrial bottlenecks, production can slow down for months or even years. In prolonged conflicts, pressure is not only on the battlefield, it's in factories, in energy supply, in access to raw materials, and in the industrial capacity to sustain output over time. The real question is not only who has more weapons, but who can sustain production longer. Because in modern conflicts, industrial resilience is just as decisive as military capability. If you're interested in understanding how logistics, energy, and technology are reshaping the global balance, consider subscribing to the channel. Here, we analyze what happens behind the headlines.